fishes.
Fish food.
Oh yeah. They have very big mouth. Drop some more.
Good afternoon, guys. I hope you're having a lovely day. So entry to the bamboo bridge is 30 baht each. This is clearly for maintenance. The bamboo bridge is literally what it says on the tin. A 1 kilometer bridge made of bamboo. It's surrounded by rice fields with an area in the middle where they pray for the rain to help the rice fields grow. There's also a waterfall nearby, which is 200 baht to enter. We didn't visit this as we had plans to go to Mo Payang waterfall. The bamboo bridge is located 11 kilometers southwest of Pai. The best way to get here is by hiring a scooter. You can rent a scooter in Pai for around 150 baht per day. This is the best price we've seen in Thailand so far. It will take you around 20 minutes to get to the bamboo bridge. The best time to visit is around July to November, during the rainy season, when the rice fields are long and green. Visiting outside the rainy season, expect to see brown and low-cut fields. This is still very picturesque as you get a good view of the mountains. There is also a temple at the end of the bamboo bridge. We recommend spending around 1 hour to 2 hours at the bamboo bridge, so you can feel free to grab a coffee, feed the fish, and donations are more than welcome. Guys, today we've had such a busy day. We've been to the bamboo bridge, the Pai Canyon, and the Big Buddha. We're actually doing separate short videos on each of those places, so check them out. Drop us a comment in the section and tell us if you liked the video or if you didn't. But yeah, until then, see you on the other side.